everyone, welcome to 6th grade math, and today we're going to learn how to write multiplication expressions using exponents. So the question asks us, write the expression using an exponent. So an exponent is basically when you have a number or a base, as we call it right here where the red box is. And then you have a smaller number showing how many times you're supposed to multiply that particular, the red number as I will call it, by how many times you basically have to. So what I'm trying to say is that an exponent is basically something like 3 to the power of 2. Now this doesn't make sense when you just say 3 to the power of 2. What is power? 3 to the power of 2 is basically referring to how you're supposed to multiply or use an expression and turn it into an exponent. And people use exponents because they're easier than actually having to write the expression like this. Like instead of writing it like 3 times 3, you could write it like this exponent that I wrote right here, this one right here. 3 to the power of 2. 3 basically shows what you are multiplying. The power or the exponent, which is up here in the blue, right here, that is the exponent. And that's basically how many times you're supposed to multiply this number by itself. So this shows 2 times. So we're supposed to multiply 3 2 times. So 3 times 3. And we know that 3 times 3 equals to 9. So this is the basic concept of an exponent. So now let's try and answer the question that they gave us. So the expression that they gave us, the multiplication expression that they gave us, is 3 times 3 times 3. In this case, we know that 3 is the base, or the red number, and we know this because 3 is what's being multiplied, and it's being multiplied 3 times. This is 1, 2, and 3. So we know that since 3 is being multiplied 3 times, our answer would be 3 to the power of 3. Let's check our answer. 3 to the power of 3. And it was correct. Let's try one more. Write the expression using an exponent. So we're given 2 times 2. And just so you know, this dot right here is used to represent multiplication, not any other operation. So we know that 2 will be the base number, and this is because 2 is the one being multiplied. And we also know that this expression equals to 2 to the power of 2. And we're saying 2 to the power of 2, this because 2 is being multiplied 2 times. And I know that sounds confusing once you just start it, but as you get used to it and do more, you'll get much more familiar with it. So let's try one more. So in this case, we have 3. So 3 is the number that's being repeated, and it's being repeated 4 times because we can count and see 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So we know that this is 3 to the power of 4. Now sometimes these numbers are much bigger, so to find it out is not as easier. And always remember, don't write especially if you're writing it on paper or actually using your hand, do not write an exponent like 3, 4, because this looks like 34. Well, what you're trying to say is 3 to the power of 4. Whenever you're trying to write 3 to the power of 4, you will need to write 3 on the bottom and then on the top 4. Where the 4 is always smaller, not as 34. So I know this was a short video. I hope I helped you understand concept of how to write multiplication expressions using exponents. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below any questions, comments, or ideas you have for future videos or this current video. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Have a great day and bye!